A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. It's not a question me have for you today. It's a word of encouragement. It's simple out there, and things I get from bad to worse, to worser, as we would have said. But guess what? Just hold on to God same way. No give up and no let go. Just hold on strong. You hold on to Him, and Him I go hold on to you. Yeah. If you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, now at the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here, so. Today, I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation chapter 13 from verse 1 to verse 10. When me look, me see one wild animal a come out of the sea. It have 10 arms and 7 head with 10 little crown pan him on them. And pan every one of him head them, him have one name where say some terrible sitting about God. The wild animal when me see look like one tiger, but in part them look like one bear. And him mouth look big and powerful like one lion mouth. The dragon give the wild animal the same power like where him have, and make him rule upon him throne with enough power. One of the wild animal head did have one chap where look like it did kill him, but his head did get better. All the people upon the earth shock when they see the wild animal. And all of the people them worship the dragon too, cause him did give the wild animal power. And then worship the wild animal as say, nobody no powerful like the wild animal, and nobody can make war against him. Somebody give the wild animal voice fi talk so wicked and terrible sitting against God, and fi show off him power for 42 months. The wild animal open his mouth and start cuss out God and talk some terrible sitting about God and God name and heaven and all who live in a heaven. And the wild animal get power to make war against God people them and to win them. And he get power over every tribe, people, them language, and them country. Everybody will live on the earth and go worship the wild animal. The hungry people will not go worship him, and the one them will really live. For them name right down before the world make in the book where the baby sheep have. The baby sheep where did get killed. Anybody will have ears, listen good. If nobody forget lock up in a prison, that I go happen to them. If nobody forget killed with the sword, them I go get killed with the sword. That means say, God people them must stand up strong and no make nothing tap them from trusting a God, no matter what. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.